Hi there, I just thought I'd give you an update on an aspect of the Shark NV601-UK that started to deteriorate. Now, just to put this in perspective, I've had this vacuum in use for 27 weeks and cleaned an average of 17 properties a week with it. That's a total of 459 properties. So if that was a once a week clean, that would be 459 divided by 52 weeks, which would give you a total of 8.8 years of use. So this is after an average of around 8.8 years of use. Bearing in mind, this does get a lot of hammer with me, so you're probably going to get a lot more than that out of it, because as I say, with me it does get a lot of hammer and a lot of use. But I just wanted to let you know that before I go into this. When I first got this, when you push the wand button in and then pulled the wand out, the button would pop up. But now when you drop the wand back in, the button's not popping up and the wand isn't locking into place. It does on that occasion, but there you can see it's not doing it again. So I thought I'd try a bit of WD-40 just around the button. Now, I've already tried this once a few days ago and it seemed to work, and I wondered if that was what had cured it. But as you can see here, it's not made any difference whatsoever. What I did notice as I started to do this was, it depended on which way I twisted the wand when I both pulled it out and pushed it back in. And you can see me here working it out. So it's like, if I twist the wand slightly to the right, it drops in and pops the button up. So yeah, if I turn the wand slightly to the right, the button pops up and the wand locks back in when I drop the wand back in. But if I turn the handle to the left, it doesn't. Looking at the lock notch on the wand, you can see there's no damage on that, so that does suggest that there's something deteriorated in the mechanism inside. Unfortunately, due to the screws that Shark use, I don't have anything to access it to have a look inside. I don't know what this is going to mean long term, but I just thought I'd put this update out there. Thank you very much for watching.